Stock sector recently caught up with an emerging skincare leader that has the only licensed product on the market to utilize NASA-certified technology. Rejuvel uses bioreactor technology that was developed on a space station.
My name is John Stickler, Vice President of Rejuvel Biosciences. So I get a call from one of my dear friends who's an SEC attorney dealing in biotechnology, and he said that he'd like me to go to Houston because he had a biotech firm that works directly with NASA that's dealing with some really crazy science. A few of the doctors and scientists out at NASA, the way they actually discovered this was after the expansion of adult stem cells, they would then take the media, which is the liquid, and pour it down the drain. One day, Dr. Chang said, what are we pouring down the drain? So they put it under a microscope out at NASA and found out that there was every part to create a human being in that media. So they then took these cells and the biomolecules to grow human tissue and started expanding those in the bioreactor. With the bioreactor, simulates the human body that you can do experiments such as cancer research. You can regenerate the organs by programming your adult stem cells what to become, a lung, a pancreas, a kidney. You would take a cadaver's tissue and your adult stem cells and expand them in the bioreactor.
Charles Semeka is the CEO who has extensive public market experience with heading up consumer name brands and international organizations and has a direct plan for Rejuvel's growth.
We're concentrating on getting placed in a home shopping channel. Just one of the shopping channels has over 70 million viewers at once. It does somewhere in the neighborhood of 150 million a year. As our revenues ramp up, we'll be able to go into more of the medical products, the main one being medical injectables. The plant-based stem cells are accepted worldwide, and we feel that this product will be a home run in the EU.
Looking into what Europe was doing with the human-based ingredient, our scientist, Dr. Jacob Appelbaum, came up with a proprietary blend, which is a plant-based ingredient. Per our agreement with NASA, we can't hide anything from the public. You shouldn't hide anything from the public. If you're bringing a consumer a product that is worthy enough to carry a NASA name, we're going to tell you what the product does or does not do. Because you can't fool science. It's black and white. There's no gray. It's either yes or no, not maybe. And now that we just picked up 28 countries with the EU approval, we're very excited, looking forward to going into multiple different countries. We're currently in Ukraine, Cyprus, Turkey. Turkey just signed 500 new agents to sell the product, which we're very excited about. And we're also selling in Russia now. Industry as a whole is a $500 billion industry. Russia just took the #1 lead for the #1 cosmetic consumption of consumers than any other country in the world. That's pretty intense. Rejuvel 3D is the only NASA-patented three-dimensional cosmetic cream in the world, space certified, that will regrow your tissue and is the best anti-aging cream in the world. When you apply this cream, you're actually creating a natural fibroblast, having your own cells in your own body go to work to repair the damage that has happened over the years, from aging from the sun, wrinkles, lack of moisture to the tissue, elasticity problems, dark blotching. Fact, not fiction. Clinicals to back it and the science to go with it.